Now we're going to work on removing the motor from the dishwasher. And we'll start by removing all the screws here on the top, and then we'll go to the bottom and release the clips and pull the motor out through the inside of the dishwasher. When you remove that, you want to try to keep this gasket intact here as best you can, because you'll want to reuse that. On this piece here, this device circulates water through the dishwasher. It is a reverse threaded screw, so you want to twist to the right or clockwise to remove the screw. And this dishwasher, the LG model, has a disposal in it that grinds food up into small particles, so it'll pass through the water lines and everything just fine. And this is the blade here. You'll want to remove that and keep up with it. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the motor and remove all the connectors and various hoses that go to it, so we can take it out of the inside of the dishwasher. First, we want to remove this aluminized panel here. It'll have two screws, one here and here. You just kind of flex it and pull it out like that. Now we're going to want to remove these two. There's a plastic clip here and a plastic clip here. We want to remove the screws and pull those plastic clips off. Those are kind of like retainer clips that will secure that motor in place and allow the gasket to be compressed fully. Remove the wire connectors. Next, we'll remove the hose clamps. Pop off these three hoses. Remove the nut that holds the ground wire on. You want to use a 10mm socket or a 10mm open-end wrench, whatever you might have available. Now I'm going to push the motor out through the inside of the dishwasher. First, you want to push in on the couple of tabs that are on here on the back side that the white clips were connected to earlier. Just push in on those and the motor should come right on out.